Let me ask you something. If someone told you that the Ford truck sitting in that dealership lot right now could either last you 300,000 miles with almost no problems, or cost you 5, 6, maybe $7,000 in repairs within the first 2 years, would you want to know which one is which? Because Ford has made some of the most reliable trucks ever built, and Ford has also made some absolute disasters that the company quietly tried to forget. In this video, I'm going through 4 Ford pickups you should never buy, and 3 Ford pickups that are genuinely some of the best used trucks on the market right now. I'm not guessing. I'm going off real owner data, real repair records, and real problems documented thousands of times. So if you're thinking about buying a Ford truck, or you already own one, stay with me. This video might save you a lot of money. Starting the worst list at number 4, and this one hurts because so many people bought this truck. The 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150 with the 5.4-liter Triton V8. On paper, this engine sounds great, big displacement, good torque, classic V8 sound. But underneath that hood was a ticking time bomb. The 5.4 Triton had 3 major, well-documented failure points. First, spark plug ejection. The spark plugs in this engine had a tendency to blow themselves right out of the cylinder head. Repair cost, $1,500 to $3,000 just to fix the threads. Second, 2-piece spark plugs. Ford switched to a new 2-piece plug design in 2004. When mechanics tried to remove them at high mileage, the tip would break off and get stuck inside the engine. Special tools required, hundreds of dollars in labor alone. Third, cam phaser failure. The variable valve timing system rattled, ticked, and eventually failed completely. Repair cost, $1,000 to $2,500. One engine, 3 separate expensive problems. If you're looking at a 2004 to 2008 F-150 with a 5.4 right now, walk away, unless it has full documented service history and a recent engine inspection. Number 3, and this one is older but still very relevant because thousands of these are still being sold cheap online right now. The 1997 to 2003 F-150 with the base 4.2-liter V6. I understand why people buy this truck. It's cheap, it's a Ford, it looks tough. But the 4.2 LV6 was the budget engine Ford put in the base trim F-150, and it was underpowered, unreliable, and worked hard by most owners who bought it. The intake manifold gaskets failed constantly on this engine. When they did, coolant leaked into the engine oil. If a previous owner didn't catch it fast, the engine was done. The timing chain guides also wore out early, causing rough idle and poor performance. And parts are getting harder to find now that these trucks are 20+ years old. The trucks from this era with the 4.6 LV8 are a completely different story. More on that in a minute. But the 4.2 V6, avoid it. Number 2, and this surprises people because the engine actually sounds impressive. The 2011 to 2014 F-150 with the 6.2-liter Boss V8. Ford marketed this as their most powerful naturally aspirated truck engine, 411 horsepower, 434 pound-feet of torque. Sounds like a winner. But here's the reality. This engine was primarily used in fleet and government work trucks, police, municipal, construction fleets, which means almost every used 6.2 Boss you find today was worked absolutely to death before it was retired and sold. High mileage, hard use, long list of deferred maintenance from owners who knew they were trading the truck in any way. On top of that, fuel economy is terrible, 10 to 12 miles per gallon in real-world use. With gas prices right now, that gets painful fast. The engine itself isn't badly designed, but the fleet history and running costs make this one of the worst value pickups you can buy used right now. Unless you find a private owner example with a clean history, and those are rare. This one is a pass. And the worst Ford pickup to own, number 1 on this list. The 2013 and 2014 Ford F-150 with the first-generation 3.5-liter EcoBoost. I want to be clear, the EcoBoost engine is not bad. The newer versions are on the best list coming up. But the first-generation EcoBoost, specifically 2013 and 2014, had problems Ford hadn't worked out yet. Coolant intrusion into the engine was a documented issue. The timing chain wore out faster than expected, and replacement is brutal because of how buried it is in that engine. Carbon buildup on intake valves happened much faster than Ford anticipated, and cleaning requires dropping the entire intake manifold. And Ford issued multiple technical service bulletins for these engines, meaning they knew about the problems but didn't fix them under warranty for every owner. 2015 and newer EcoBoost trucks got significant revisions that solved most of these issues. But a 2013 or 2014 EcoBoost F-150 is a gamble, and it's a gamble I wouldn't take with my own money. Okay, now let's talk about the trucks you actually want to buy. Starting with a truck that continues to earn respect from owners year after year. The 2015 to 2017 Ford F-150 with the 5-liter Coyote V8. Ford completely redesigned the F-150 in 2015, aluminum body, new platform, and brought in the 5 Coyote V8 straight from the Mustang GT. And this engine is genuinely excellent. 385 horsepower, 387 pound-feet of torque, naturally aspirated, no turbo, no intercooler, no added complexity. Real-world reliability is outstanding. Owners regularly report 200,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance, oil changes, filters, spark plugs. The 5 Coyote is also one of the most well-supported engines in aftermarket history. If something does go wrong, parts are everywhere and mechanics know this engine inside and out. Only downsides: fuel economy averages around 15 to 17 miles per gallon, and some 2015 to 2017 trucks have minor electrical gremlins with the sync infotainment system. But as an overall package, this is one of the best used truck values on the market right now. Next is a truck that surprises people every single time. The 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150 with the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6. I know what you're thinking, a 2.7-liter V6 in a full-size truck, really? Here's the thing. The second-generation 2.7L EcoBoost, introduced in 2018, is one of the most underrated truck engines Ford has ever built. 325 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque, tows up to 8,100 pounds, gets 18 to 20 miles per gallon in real-world mixed driving. Ford fixed everything that was wrong with the Gen 1. The 2018 revision added port injection alongside direct injection, which means intake valves finally get a fuel wash on every cycle. Carbon buildup problem solved. Timing chain was strengthened. Cooling system was redesigned. And the 10-speed 10R80 transmission paired with this engine is smooth, responsive, and holds up well when maintained properly. For someone who wants a truck that can tow, haul, get decent fuel economy, and not empty your bank account, the 2018 to 2022.7 EcoBoost is genuinely one of the best choices out there right now. And finally, the best Ford pickup you can own right now. The 2021 and newer Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid. Ford combined a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 with a 35 kilowatt electric motor and a 1.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and the result is genuinely remarkable. 430 horsepower, 570 pound-feet of torque, the most torque of any F-150 ever built. Maximum towing capacity of 12,700 pounds. And fuel economy of 24 miles per gallon on the highway. For a full-size truck with this much power, that number is absolutely unheard of. But here's what makes the power boost special beyond the specs. The electric motor fills in torque instantly at 0 RPM. There's no turbo lag, no waiting for the engine to build power. You press the accelerator and it's just there. And the Pro Power onboard system gives you up to 7.2 kilowatts of export power from the bed. Run power tools, charge equipment, power your house during an outage, directly from the truck. Reliability on early units has been strong. The hybrid powertrain has a separate 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Yes, it costs more. Yes, it's newer and we're still building long-term data. But if you want the absolute best Ford pickup truck available right now, this is it. The trucks to avoid are the 2004-2008 F-150 with the 5.4L Triton V8, the 1997-2003 F-150 with the 4.2L V6, the 2011-2014 F-150 with the 6.2L Boss V8, and the 2013-2014 F-150 with the first-generation 3.5L EcoBoost. The trucks worth owning are the 2015-2017 F-150 with the 5L Coyote V8, the 2018-2020 F-150 with the 2.7L EcoBoost Gen 2, and the 2021 and newer F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid. Before you buy any used Ford truck, get a pre-purchase inspection from an independent mechanic, not the dealer, an independent shop. A $100 inspection can save you a $10,000 mistake. Drop a comment below and tell me which Ford truck you own and how many miles are on it. I read every single one.